Because our equipment is properly insulated by professionals, it enables us to provide a cheaper product to our customers.
The cheapest energy is the energy you don't use. Mechanical insulation can do that.
According to more than 700 industrial energy assessments completed in North America over the last several years, it has been shown that implementing a comprehensive mechanical insulation upgrade and maintenance program in the commercial and industrial markets could lead to energy savings of $4.8 billion per year and reductions of carbon dioxide emissions by more than 43 million metric tons per year. What do these numbers mean? Well, energy savings of $4.8 billion a year equates to 82 million barrels of oil, 19 million tons of coal, and 45 billion kilowatt hours of electricity. The 43 million metric ton reduction of CO2 emissions is like adding 1.9 billion mature trees to our forests, removing 7.9 million cars from our roads, and shutting down 11 coal-fired power plants.
So it has really two big impacts. One is the cost of the energy you provide that you can produce, but also the environmental impacts, because it can actually help reduce your emissions if it's properly insulated.
It's becoming more and more apparent that due to increasing populations and an economy that is becoming more global every day, energy conservation and management are becoming critical issues that will significantly affect what our future looks like.
The greatest strength this industry has is our ability to affect climate change, to put people to work, and to save energy.
But how does this affect commercial and industrial business? While it's popular in today's culture to extol the virtues of the efficient use of energy as being the best way to care for the environment, it's also a reality that helps businesses find a way to minimize their expenses and maximize the use of their facilities. One of the best, yet underutilized ways of conserving energy and reducing CO2 emissions, thus saving money on energy, is the proper installation and maintenance of mechanical insulation. Mechanical insulation is the insulating and jacketing of mechanical systems. It's used to cover pipes, ducts, tanks, and equipment in commercial or industrial environments, and is typically relied upon to control temperature.
For the environment, as soon as you put mechanical insulation on a system, hot or cold, you reduce heat transfer. As soon as you do that, you reduce the amount of energy that's required to operate that system. So as you reduce that energy requirement, you reduce the consumption of fossil fuels in the most case, which means that you reduce the greenhouse gas emissions that are associated with it.
Mechanical insulation is primarily used to limit heat gain or loss from surfaces operating at temperatures above or below ambient temperature. This simple technology provides significant results, as a properly designed, installed, and maintained mechanical insulation system saves energy and reduces costs, reduces greenhouse gas emissions, provides personal safety, and enhances the performance of mechanical systems. In short, mechanical insulation provides short and long-term return on investment. Mechanical insulation provides two types of return on investment. The first is the return on the initial capital investment. Various academic papers and independent case studies have shown that mechanically insulating buildings provides rapid return on initial investment, often with payback times of less than 1 year. The second type of ROI that mechanical insulation provides is deferred, dealing with the maintenance costs and overall life of the building or system. Case study after case study have proven that buildings where mechanical insulation systems are properly installed and maintained last longer with reduced maintenance burdens.
When your equipment is properly insulated, you're going to be more efficient, therefore you're going to burn less fuel. If you burn less fuel, you're going to have less emissions. If you have less emissions, you're going to be a greener company. Since 2000, our company has reduced its emissions by roughly 50%, which is dramatic.
Value engineering, in my mind, always has been put more insulation on. That's the value. We can save you money over the life of this building dramatically more than anything else you can do.
Properly installing and maintaining the mechanical insulation system in your facility is one of the simplest and best ways to generate positive ROI for your business. The only surefire way to do this is to make sure that when you mechanically insulate, you use a contractor who is part of the National Union Insulation Contractors Alliance, NUCA, a contractor who only employs the most highly trained technicians of the trade, members of the Heat and Frost Insulators and Allied Workers. With more than 100 years of comprehensive energy conservation experience on our side, our combined institutional knowledge and know-how in the green energy industry is unparalleled. The International Association of Heat and Frost Insulators and Allied Workers. We are the Energy Conservation Specialists. For more information, visit insulators.org.